Okay, there is a tool called Bridge. Let's try it. Let's just try it. We'll take these guys and then extend and move that up like that. Actually, let's move it up a bit more. And I'm going to try to merge some of these guys. Let's see if I go like that, right? And then go like this. Then what? Can I bridge that? Yeah, okay. Not that bad. And you can then go like that. Like this, let's bridge it. Okay, you know, I thought it wouldn't be that great. Let's do one more of that. Let's see. Oh, okay, whatever. I'll just flip them. Flip them. Alright, so again, I'm gonna leave one polygon behind. Go with that. Let's try bridge. Yeah, there we go. So okay, not that bad. And it does create, so you can do that. It's not fantastic by any means, but let's see if I delete that now. Yeah, so I can delete that, and then I can move all of these guys down. Let's see, points, okay, and I'll move this down to, oh, sorry. Opens, move it down to that area. Okay, cool. And I'll bridge it. Sorry, select merge, I mean, and that's almost there, right? But I need to close those guys. So yeah, I mean, I can go back and use the bridge tool on those guys. Okay, I guess you could do that. Also, of course, it means that you'll have to do it for the bottom part, but yeah, I mean, it's just a matter of copying that and paste that in and moving it down to that location. And once again, use the snap drag tool. Go like that. And merge the reins points. Yeah. Why is that? Like that. Okay. Loop that and flip those polygons. Okay. So that's it. Yeah, I guess that is doable also. Okay, I think that polygon was there from earlier on, so excuse that. And let's flip these guys. So yeah, I mean, you could do that. It's not that bad in terms of polyflow. Okay, it's an option.